Hello, everybody. Good morning. Here in Brazil, right now, I'm in the rainforest in the state of Acre, city of Rio Branco. And right now, here it's 9 in the morning. I just had breakfast. I'm feeling good, and so I'm going to spend some time with some Indian friends inside the rainforest in two indigenous lands, alright? Catuquinas and Iawanawas, two ethnic groups. So it's my fifth time here, and it's a great pleasure to be with them, my friends, my shamans, and I'm here to learn a little bit more for my life, for the people, for you that spent time and want to learn a little bit more about the jungle, the Brazilian rainforest jungle, the wisdom of our Indians and our ancestors. And I'm not a religious man. I don't have uh, I'm not a fanatic. I you know I study I study many or some religions and I like too much to learn from the nature and from our ancestors, all right? And I like to share with you also many subjects, about daily life, poetry, wisdom, teachings, shamanism. I don't like that word, shamanism. Yes, because I think it's maybe these days, today, it's too commercial thing, and that's not the real thing. So I will keep updating you of my movements. Right now I'm in this big seat of this state. It's the main city to go to the jungle, and all the the biggest the biggest lands, indigenous lands, they are all uh, in the rivers, so there are some rivers here and we have to get there, and it's it is a long journey to go there. I have to catch bus, flights, and go by boat also. So I'm preparing, get ready myself to go. I need to take with me some hammock, and clothes special, and some tips. You have to know some things before going, because it is so many insects, animals, plants over there, and I want to spend at least 1 month there with them. Yes, so we are our skin who have white skin like me. You have to be very careful of the sun, you know. Uh, my skin is sensitive, so and I need to take care. Our bodies, if we are healthy food, we eat healthy food and do exercise. If we have a healthy life, our bodies can manage, can change, can support many things. But anyway, it's good to take some precautions. All right. So I will keep updating you. Thank you very much. I wish that you are feeling good, you are feeling safe, and all the good things happen to your life, my brothers. All right. I am Mascuru Luiz Felipe. My Portuguese Brazilian name, Luiz Felipe Zanetti. And my Yawanawa Indian name is Mashkuru, Yawa Mashkuru. Mashkuru means when you are truth people, when you are a good people, a wise man. Yes, I have 3 indigenous names. So I'm going to this ethnic group, Yawanawa, and my name there, they call me like this, Mashkuru. Mashkuru is the baby, when the baby is both, and I am both. I am both. Look. Yes. So this word, Mashkuru, have these 2, 3, 4, 5 meanings. And the baby, when the baby is very small, very young, bald, just a little bit of hair, they are, like more pure. Yes. All right, people, thank you very much. I hope you are in good places, and I hope you enjoy this video. How they say here, Sharakapa. Everything that is good to you, Sharakapa.